Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a Microsoft 365 account and either access for desktop or access for the web via SharePoint/OneDrive. Once that's confirmed, get a small CSV or Excel table ready with clean headers. Now open Access from the Office App Launcher and choose a blank web app or a template that matches your goal. This creates a web-enabled database hosted in your tenant. Make sure your source columns use consistent types, dates, numbers, text, so imports map correctly when you add tables and forms. Start by importing your cleaned CSV/XLSX via Get External Data. Map fields and pick a stable primary key so records stay unique. Once tables exist, define relationships in the Relationships view and enforce referential integrity. This prevents orphan records and preserves data quality. Next, build queries to transform or aggregate data, then scaffold forms using the Form Wizard. Customize controls. Add drop-down lookups for relationships and include calculated fields. This makes data entry efficient and reduce. To finalize, publish your web app to SharePoint or save it to OneDrive and configure user permissions so collaborators can view or edit. Test typical workflows. Enter sample records, run queries and reports, and add Power Automate flows for notifications or approvals. If something breaks, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Sync or import errors usually stem from type mismatches or invalid values. Check field types, correct sample rows, and re-import. Finally, lock down permissions and document any custom logic for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.